G'day, here's a parcel of fossil material from Lightning Ridge. It's got some clay, hard clay amongst it. If we keep tumbling it, we'll lose the opal that's amongst it. So the price has been modified to allow for what's totally here rather than the gemstones. We're just selling it by weight. It'll be randomly picked and put into small deals. I'll zoom in a bit to give you a better look. Okay, I've zoomed in, the rule's in millimetres. I'll just move over. This isn't all the deal. You can see there's pieces like that that are crystal. Maybe some of it will have a sun flash in it. Just moving it around. Some of it's quite bright, like some of this here. Pieces like this are quite bright. I'll pick up a few and show you, but what you're buying is part of the deal and it'll be randomly picked. I'll just get that out of the way. So there is some nice pieces amongst it. Some of it's been rubbed a bit like this, but still a little stone over this side, I think. Pieces like this, quite a large piece. Some of this sort of honey potch. Sometimes this will facet. There's lots of little bright gems amongst it, like these sort of little pieces. Fairly crystal sort of piece. A few bits like this that aren't anything much, but unfortunately that's the deal. It'll be randomly picked. Pieces like this are quite pretty. Piece of fossil of some description, probably wood. Be nice to have a bucket of that sort of pieces, wouldn't it? Anyway, there's another piece of fossil. Reds and pinks, greens. A couple of pieces like this in it that's not much in it. I'll throw that bit out, I think. Anyway, I think you've got an idea of what you're looking at for your money. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.